Uy, ang daming balat, oh.
Kinakamay daw yung balat. So,
Yes.
kamayin natin.
That's the lechon baka, super lambot. And that's the balbakwa, Bisayang balbakwa. Lamig yung kayo. And this is a Cebu lechon. Yan. And of course, sinugla. Masarap pa tita.
Oo, masarap.
Sarap.
Talaga yung lechon na ano.
Chef, sarap.
Mm.
That's here.
Yun na.
Yes. For Cebu experience.